Every Christmas, we wrap up the same things: toys, gadgets, stuff that gets opened, then abandoned by New Year's. This year, let's do better. Hi there, Merry Christmas. I'm Josh AA4WX. Welcome to HamShackTV. Let's give something that actually means something this year. A skill that creates confidence, a skill that builds preparedness, a skill that ties someone into a real community, a skill that literally could save a life. This Christmas, don't give toys, give ham radio. And the best way you can do that right now is through Ham Radio Prep. So we're going to go to hamradioprep.com, and really special deal going on with Ham Radio Prep. The Black Friday is coming up this Friday. As of this recording, it is Thanksgiving Eve. But if you go to hamradioprep.com, at the top here, you see this black banner: biggest discounts of the year, shop now. So let's click on that. Let's take a look. Again, this recording is happening at 9 p.m. on Wednesday night. This sale only lasts until Sunday, folks. Sunday, November 30th. You can see the countdown clock here. Don't pay too much attention to that countdown clock because it's not right compared to what you were when you were watching this. But absolutely fantastic deals going on here. The biggest savings is a 0 to hero package. This is normal retail value of $671. You're going to get it for $199. This includes everything that Ham Radio Prep offers: the technician, the general, and the extra class course, and then 4 operating courses that are really great. You've got the emergency communications course, you've got the space and satellite communications, HF Masterclass, and the Ham Radio Basics course. Folks, again, $671 value. You're only getting it for $199. So it's a really good deal. And this will give you lifetime access with no additional fees. So you'd have access to this for the rest of your life. That sounds like a great deal to give that maybe aspiring ham in your family. So check that one out. Package number 2. This is just licensing courses. This is the all access licensing pass: technician, general, and the extra class course. Plus, they're throwing in the Ham Radio Basics course. Normally $199 for those 4 courses. You're going to get it for only $79, folks. Huge savings. Huge savings. Package number 3 they offer. It is the advanced operating course. This doesn't include any licensing courses, just the advanced operating. So MCOM, they're going to give you satellite and space communications and an HF Masterclass. Normal value is $447. Today, you're going to get it for $129. That is a savings of $318, folks. This is incredible. Maybe you just want to buy some individual courses. They have those available too. You can get the tech for $35, the general for $35, the extra for $49. You can get the Ham Radio Basics for $25. The getting started with HF it's the HF Masterclass. Get that for $49. Be Prepared MCOM course for $49, as well as satellite and space communications for $49 available as well. But you may also want a gift card. You can do a gift card too. They have those available. So here's the other good thing. Yes, I've got good prices here, but I can give you even better. If you use my coupon code HamShackTV at checkout, we're going to give you an additional 10% off those already fantastic prices. So let's go back up here to the top. Take another $19.90 off of the $199 for the 0 to hero package. There you go. Even better. More reason to do it. For the all access licensing pass, take another $7.90 off of that. For the advanced operating course, take another $12.90 off of that one. And then for the individual courses, take $350 off the tech or the general, take $490 off the extra. For the Ham Radio Basics, take $2.50 off of that. Take $4.90 off of the others as well. If you use my coupon code HamShackTV at checkout, you're going to save some serious dough, folks. I believe in Ham Radio Prep. I think that they're a fantastic company. I know have several viewers that have gone through it. But if you've ever had someone in your life ever say, I've always wanted to get my ham radio license, this is the moment to change their life. Because right now, only through Sunday, November the 30th, you can get the ham radio prep courses with my coupon code HamShackTV for an additional 10% off their Black Friday sale prices. And when it ends, it's gone. So remember, Ham Radio Prep is the one and only course providers that do offer a money-back guarantee, full money-back guarantee if you don't pass. You need to go to their website to see more details. They have, this is how confident they are. So instead of giving someone something cheap and breakable, forgettable, give them a skill. Give them a survival skill, a real one. A skill that opens the door to emergency communications, community service, Skywarn, weather spotting, and an entire world of RF. This Christmas, don't give toys. Give skills. Give confidence. Give a ham radio license. Use my link down below and the coupon code HamShackTV for 10% off. They're already fantastic Black Friday prices. Remember, sale expires this Sunday, November the 30th, so act now. I'm Josh, AA4WX. Live, learn, transmit. Merry Christmas and welcome to the Shack. This video will be released on Thanksgiving evening, so make sure you go ahead and take care of this now, because after Sunday, the sale is over. Get it now while the get good. Guys, again, I can't thank you enough for the support. Appreciate you enough for sitting and listening to me rant and advertising things like that. Folks, y'all are what's making this work. So Merry Christmas from my family to yours. We'll see you in the next video. 73s, everybody. AA4WX. WSCB 693.